Prosper Engineering is a leading electric motor manufacturing company, but in recent years they are facing strong competition from other companies. Now, to remain leader, they need to develop a new product that beats all competition. But the problem was some of their experienced inventors had left the job, and now they will have to work from scratch as there was no data left. But soon they came to know that their company had already implemented iDelph. iDelph is an artificial intelligence software that keeps record of experiences from all employees, so that later when a new product is being developed, it can provide the best suggestions that can make the product launch 100% successful. iDelph supports you in case of new product development, quality control, predictive maintenance, cost engineering, production lead time estimation, creation of models of complex physical phenomenon. iDelph uses artificial intelligence to improve your company's performance. It collects, preserves, and uses company know-how, cancels calculation times, improves with continuous use, proposes solutions of difficult human conception, thanks to the correlations it finds, and guarantees absolute protection of all the data loaded into it. Now with iDelph, the new employees were getting instant suggestion and market scope of the new product. iDelph provided them with a detailed analysis of each and every part. As a result, they developed an excellent design, and they were again the market leader. So what are you waiting for? Request your free trial at www.idelph.com.